Lady Gaga, have you heard what she said about you?
Yeah, she wants to perform with us.
She wants to perform
That's just
with us.
ridiculous.
That's amazing.
That's
I think about
Gaga.
It's Lady Gaga, and she's so big. Like, imagine us going on
Like
stage.
fat? That's not nice.
No, she's like amazing.
Oh, in terms of being a fabulous big artist.
Yeah, imagine
world
if
famous.
Imagine if you had like this massive quiff. Imagine if we performed and she had the biggest quiff ever. And we had like
It's kind of cool because like we met her back in February before she was when she was
Oh, of course, she was on. Oh, before X Factor.
she was supporting the Pussycat Dolls, and we got to meet her. And then we met her in the X Factor, and we met her in the O2 Arena when we performed the Jingle Bell Ball over in the UK. And it's kind of cool, like she remembered us.
Now that the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the Vegas are pumping, quick to the point, no faking.
we have fans from like everywhere. Like, oh, come to Tipperary, come to Cork, and now that we're going on an Irish tour, it's going to be wicked. And we're
like loads of like.
And we're doing Croke Park with Westlife. I think how big. That's
You
gonna
are
be.
doing
That's like
Croke
the
Park.
biggest
That's
show.
amazing.
Like 82,000 people. Like, imagine just going, hey guys, hey Phil, everyone's going crazy, going
It's gonna be huge.
I
It's
can't
kind of
wait.
weird because like that's like the 4th biggest place to perform in Europe, isn't it? It's like one of the
I
biggest.
think it's like the
events in
biggest arena in the whole of Europe.
Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you, don't matter.
Okay, lads, this is very quick. I want to get inside the inner workings of Jedward. Excuse me while I reach across here.
The inner workings.
Inner mind. Here we go. No peeking. No peeking.
I can already see.
Questions. Jaffa cakes or biscuits?
None.
None?
Jack cakes?
Yeah. Cakes or biscuits?
Cake and biscuits.
It's too
Cake.
difficult.
Too difficult.
Answer the question.
If you could bring any famous person back to life from the whole of history, who would it be?
Elvis Presley.
Okay, good. Last time you sucked a lemon.
A week ago.
Was it nice?
No, I had
No, it's when they come with like a drink of
no,
Coke,
okay.
a drink of like water, and you just have the lemon.
What was the worst thing anyone has ever said to you ever?
That you're not a twin.
Wow.
And then
clearly I'm a
saying,
twin.
are you even brothers? And we're like, yeah, we look like brothers. We're twins.
I don't see it, to be honest.
I don't really see what the whole big hype and talk is about.
And I just don't see the resemblance at all. How much was your last phone bill?
£18.
Wow, that's really cheap. Well
No,
done.
more like 2,000. No, it wasn't any. I don't even have a phone bill.
I don't know, we don't have a phone bill, we don't even have a phone. We have a mobile phone, but we got like a new pay monthly phone, but I don't know how much it costs a month.
Okay, well.
I don't really call or text that much people because I think only like 3 people have my number.
Wow.
The thing about me and John's number is that, like, if our number gets that, then locally our fans will call us, and loads of our fans give us their numbers, and they always want us to call them, but
We
we're
always
not
tweet our
allowed.
fans.
Yeah, well, that will get a bit scary. Will the world be okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitive.
John Ed are here.
They are here, and they will save us all. Who's a better dancer?
Jedward,
No, between
football,
the two of you. Okay.
Edward, I'll go Edward.
We just. He said no. Okay. I think John's better dancing.
Dance, we're speaking that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom, deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony.
Imagine we did Irish dancing or something.
You do kind of do Irish dancing.
I know that.
Kind of go.
I know that whole. It goes like this. It goes like it's like 1, 2, hop back, 2, John can do an ultimate kick. Check it out. What kick? A kick?
Oh God! Don't kick me.
Ready?
Or anyone.
Okay.
God, that was good. You're very flexible. I know that.
Watch out, John is coming.
He is.
Wait, watch my feet. Watch my feet.
Go. Agus a tree, do tree, agus a car, do tree, agus see she is now mabukal before we get kicked out of here. And finally, lads, a morality question. If Tiger Woods was standing in front of you right now, what would Jedward say to him?
I'd say to him.
I'd say that your name is so cool. Like, it's like a tiger.
Tiger in a woods. Like, I think how amazing it is. Okay, like he's. Like, I think that everyone, like, he's such a great golf player, and he's like an icon.
I wish you absolutely just the best, most greatest success in the entire world.
Again.
Even though I saw you explain how you tell each other apart on Jonathan Ross, I still cannot quite, just from looking at you. Obviously, I know who's who now.
Who am I?
Yeah, John.
Oh, you got it. Yeah.
Got it.
And Edward. Lads, slán a bhaile.
Slán.
Hardest high fives ever.
Peace out, guys. How do you say peace out in Irish?
Síocháin amach.
Síocháin amach.
Peace out again.
Síocháin amach.
Síocháin amach. Peace out again.
Síocháin amach.
Síocháin amach.